To get a dynamic island notifications on your Motorola Moto G86 5G, first of all, this feature is not available for this device, so we'll need to download an app that allows us to get that notifications. You can do it by opening your Google Play Store. In the search, type in dynamic island and find this specific app. Download it. I already have it, so we're just gonna open it and then wait a few moments until the app is opened. There's a bunch of ads that may pop up in the meantime. Now we need to enable it, so click on this switch right here and allow any permissions visible on the screen. And finally, we are all set. As you can see, there's Dynamic Island already right here. And now if we get any notifications, it should pop up right there as well. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.